Okay, so for this question, I mentioned just now that I'm going to apply the comparison more concept. Comparison more. Why is that so? Because we are comparing between Aaron, Bert's, and Carol's stickers. Then we got to know that this Bert had 200 more stickers than Aaron. That one means we are comparing, comparison concept. Comparison with a more, because between two of them, one of them have more than the other. Okay, which is given on that first sentence there. Okay. Then they say the ratio of number of stickers Bert had to the number of stickers Carol had was 4:3. Bert is to Carol, right? This is units, this is units. After Bert gave 1/8 of his stickers to Aaron, okay? So this is unit, this is unit, this is gave. This is Bert's total. Then when he gave to Aaron, he had 60 fewer stickers than Aaron. He means Bert. So another comparison is done at the last part there. So first comparison is between Bert and Aaron. Second comparison is still between Bert and Aaron. However, this time around is fewer. The first comparison was more. Okay, that's why I say this is a comparison more concept. There's always someone being compared to another one, and there's one person who have more than the other. Okay, now as I mentioned, you must always try to work with units. Okay, if you want to apply the BCA method, in this case, before, change, after. What kind of concept is this? This is comparison more, or if you can see, this is total unchanged. If you can see properly also, this is total unchanged. Why? Because the change is between the three of them only. Why? Because Bert gave to Aaron. Aaron received from Bert. So this is actually a total unchanged question. However, I do not want to have their total known. In this case, I do not want the total. I just want to compare. That's why even though I'm going to apply this table, I'm going to focus more on this. Okay, but the table will be on total unchanged lah. Okay, so we're gonna draw out the table first. Let's make a big one. Okay, divide it into four columns because there's a more. One, two, three, four. Okay, so we have Aaron, Bert, More, Carol, B, C, and A. Okay. So you know that if there's a total unchanged, you have a total there. But I do not want to put there because I got nothing to do with a total. I do not want to find any total anyway. So don't have to put the total. But you know that this question, the change is between one another. The total does not get affected. That's all. That's all you have to know. Okay. So let's work with the information that we have here. So they say that Bert has 200 more than Aaron. So that's my before information, right? This one. Oops. This one until here, this is my before information. Okay, so Bert have 200 more plus 200 more than Aaron. Okay, so more than this person. Now we move on to this portion. After Bert gave 1/8, this is talking about BERT. Okay, this is unit, this is unit, this is gave to Aaron. 8 unit is Bert's total or before. Correct. Denominator is always our total or our before information. So in this case, Bert's total or before is 8 units. So which means if I'm comparing Bert and Aaron, if you see I'm comparing Bert and Aaron in the first place. So Bert and Aaron, they have the same in model. However, Bert have more. Bert have how many more? 200 more. So this portion here, this and this are the same. So if Bert have 8 unit here, Aaron have 8 unit there. However, Bert have more. How many more? 200 more. Given there already. I wrote down there already, right? Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. You have 4 is to 3. Bird is to Carol. So now if you look at this information, Bird's total is actually 8 unit. So this one supposed to be 8 unit. This is unit, right? So what do we have to do there? In this case, your 4 unit you must times 2. Here must also times 2. Equals to 8 unit is to 6 unit, like that. Okay, so Carol is 6 unit, right? So what happened here? This bird give Aaron 1 unit minus 1 unit to Aaron plus 1 unit. Not enough, huh? You need to find out what about this? How many of the more? How many of the more was given to Aaron? Because this bird have not only 8 units, but this bird have also 200. So I want to find out that part. So you have to know that this is also represented by 8 unit. Okay, so 8 unit is 200. 1 unit is 200 divided by 8. That will give me 25. Okay, so which means from that 200, 25 was given to Aaron. So Aaron received 1 unit plus another 25 unit. Okay, like that. Then we go down the column. Go down the column. Go down the column. 8 unit plus 1 unit is 9 unit plus 25. 8 unit minus 1 unit is 7 units. 200 minus 25 is 175. 6 unit here remains as 6 unit because there's no change. There's no change for Carol. Okay, and of course the total no change lah because given to one another. Okay, now what happened here is, let's look at the last portion here. Bert had 60 fewer stickers than Aaron in the end, right? This is my after, correct? So let's look at after. Let's look at Bert and Aaron, this portion. We're gonna compare them. So when I say compare means this and this together. 7 unit, there's a plus there. Okay, so we're going to compare this information. Compare means minus. Okay, so when I minus, I can actually rewrite it out again. So when I minus, you know that this will be a 60 answer. So what are we going to do? We can rewrite it out. 9 unit plus 25 minus 7 unit plus 175 bracket equals to 60. Okay, equals to, now this minus and there's a plus there, this 175 will become a minus 175. 9 and 7 becomes 2 unit like this. Okay, so 2 unit plus 25 here equals to 175, and then here's a 60 like this. Okay, so equals to 2 unit equals to 175 minus your 25. Okay, then you plus 60 this way. So equals to 2 unit is 175 minus 25 is 150 plus 60 equals to 210. 2 unit is 210. No space. I'm continue here. 2 unit is 210. 1 unit is 105. You know how I get that, right? Divided by 2. Okay. Then I want to know how many stickers did Carol have at first. Carol, no change from the first to the end. I want to find 6 units. Okay. So 6 unit is 105 times 6 equals to 630 answer. Okay. Be careful with this part here. Be careful with this part here. All right. That's the answer.